out here taking Molly for for a walk. I forgot to vlog this morning. We woke up around 9 and then waited for Chris's parents to get home, and then the kids made the cinnamon rolls and put the stuff on that, the icing on them, and then
Literally. How about you stay here and I'll go get a bag?
Yep. Good potty, Molly. Now we just have to wait to get a bag. Good girl. I think she got some of her tail on it. Oops. Anyway, good thing their parents don't live far. You can just walk back and get stuff. I have to stand here so I remember where it is. Oh shit, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Good potty, Molly. You did good. I think we're gonna try and get her groomed. Oh my god, why do I keep thinking today's Friday? Today's Wednesday. Probably, hopefully this weekend. I don't see why they can't groom her at another Petco. Are you gonna pee again? We keep taking her out all week, and she's been coming out by, well, we had the potty pad down there just in case, and she actually went on it this morning while we were eating breakfast. And she hasn't used it all week because we've been doing it all. Guess we didn't do it in time, but at least she knows where the potty pad is, just in case. So yeah, I didn't get all the gifts opening. Chris did. He recorded that, so if you want to see the kids opening their gifts and what they got, you can go look at his video. Again? She keeps peeing. Like, it's like she holds this pee in her and then just distributes it little by little, little as we're walking. Somebody has their fireplace going. Again? How many times are you going to pee? He likes all the Pennsylvania smells. All new smells, huh? Chris's mom got Logan a pair of socks that had Molly on them. And then Chris and I got coasters for the car, and they have Molly on them. Oh my god, I started crying. It's so cute. Seriously? Again? You know you can go on this side. You don't have to